And they're off. The Los Banos High School auto shop class is at full throttle. High-speed sanders, and saws, blowtorches for welding, and electronic diagnostic tools from Snap-on, of course. But it hasn't always been like this. We first met the auto shop students in a video. They entered it into a competition to win tools.
In our auto shop, we have many things that are faulty that prohibit us from doing our projects to their full potential.
The chance to win thousands in tools. They needed it.
Broken lights, brake blades, our tire changing machine that sometimes doesn't work.
But because of votes from the Los Banos community and KMPH viewers, they won thousands of dollars for tools and equipment.
It's probably one of the best things that's happened to me as a teacher.
Auto shop teacher Rod Hill is teaching these kids skills to help them get jobs.
Easier for me to get a job than them, just because there's not a lot of people that know about even what a weld is.
And thanks to you, Rod Hill, and new tools and equipment, future students will know what a weld is and how to use it, and more.